Hello friend, how are you? Welcome to Tripan Study Center. We are going to do today is very important MCQ, which will be a very important for the exam point of view, and it will be important for this competitive exam. Let's see what is our topic today. MCQ here, class 9 CBSE NCRT mathematics chapter here, a number system. That's important. Let's see question here. The MCQ question here, in between two rational number there is R. That's a clear question here. In between two rational number there is a, the option A is only one rational number, B infinities many rational number, C many irrational numbers, and D only irrational number. That's the most important question here. But first of all, you test your knowledge. I give a few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer this question. You know that the question is clear here. In between two rational number there is R. Exactly one rational number, B infinity many number, C many rational number, D only rational number. You know that's an important question. But I clear that there is rational number here. Asking the rational number between two rational number. So it means the answer here is actually one rational number. The option A is correct here. Answer A is correct on this question here. Let's see next question. You know that next question arrive here. A question here. What should be denominator after the rationalizing 7 upon bracket start 5 under 3 minus 5 under 2 here. That's important here. You know that there are denominator after the rationalizing. That's important question here. You know that is important. Solve your notebook firstly and check your answer. Okay. The option here 19, B is a 20, C is a 25, D is a none of these. You know that is a question is a clear cut. But I understand for the screen, but not our technology here. Okay. The answer is the most important. I give you a few seconds for you understanding your mind and test your knowledge first of all. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question. The question is clear here. Denominator after the rationalizing here. The number is given here. You know that is rationalized here. Plus there's important, and the option is here is not a 19, not a 20, not a 25 is here. Is none of these. You know that you solve and answer is come in this is not a 19, not a 20, not a 25. That option is D is here. Correct answer. None of these. That's important here. And let's see next question. Question on your screen, that's important. The question here, the decimal expansion of the irrational number may be. The question is clear here. The decimal expansion of an irrational number may be. You know that is option A, terminating, B is rescuing, C is either terminating or non-terminating, and D is a non-terminating and the non-rescuing. That's an important option here. But first of all, test your knowledge. I give you 5 seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question here. The question, the decimal expansion of the irrational number may be. That's important. You know that is important. Terminating is not applicable this answer here because decimal expansion is irrational number. This is not a terminating here. And B, discrete, that's a nothing here. You know that either terminate or not terminate is a nothing. But D is correct answer here. The answer is a non-terminating and non-decreasing here. That's important. Not terminating and other requiring. That's important here. And let's see next question. The question arrive here. The question is clear. Value of 2 256 bracket 0.16 into 256.0.019 is. You know that is the important the calculation here. You calculate, I also calculate here. You know that you test your knowledge first of all. I give a few seconds for calculating this question. But calculating is a very sharply. You know that is the sharply is important here. You thought of your answer? Let's see what is the answer to this question. I calculating here. That's important. There is the answer is correct here. 4. The correct answer is here 4. There is a option is correct. A option is correct. You also calculate here. That's important. Let's see next question. The next question arrive here. That's important. And question here. Which of the following is equal to x power 3? That's important question here. The option here x into 6 minus x is power 3. X6 minus x3 power here. And B x6 multiply x3 power. And C x6 upon x3. And D x6 is power 3. You know that's an important question here, but very easy. First of all, test your knowledge. I give you a few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see and understand this question here. You know that which of the following is equal to the x power 3? Means easy. X power 3. First of all here, x6 minus x3. It's not a possible here. X6 minus x3 is not a possible. It means A is a rejected here. And the next B, x power 6 multiply x power 3. The dots mean here multiply. Multiply means there is the plus. Power is plus here. It means x is a power 6 plus 3. It means 9. There is a not equal to the 9 here. B is also rejected here. And see the D option. D option is here. X power 6 is a power 3. Means the power is multiply here. So it means their answer is a x power 18. Okay. It means D is also is rejected. It's reminded here C option. The C options here is the most important. The option here x 6 upon x3. Upon mean divide. Upon mean divide. And divide mean minus. The power is here minus. It means 6 minus 3 is equal to x3. It means C is correct answer. The x3 is the x 6 upon x3 is equal here. It means C is correct answer. This goes over to C. There is a most important option for this question. Let's see next question here. Next question arrive here. That's important. And that is easy also. The question is which of the following are the irrational number? Which of the following are irrational number here? That's important. You know that the option here under root 23, under root is a 22, 5 and C is a 0.3796 and D is a 7.4748478. You know that is important here. That's important. You know that's important. But you first of all thought what is an irrational number here? I give a few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer to this question here. You know that that's important. Irrational number here. Irrational number mean there is a not a come to the number is equal. The number is unequal here. First of all, you understand. The number is unequal is coming again and again. I take a D option. D option you see there is a 478 means 478. 478 and 478 repeating to similar number. It means it is a not a irrational number. It is a not a irrational number here. And C is here 0.3796. It means 6 is the ending number here. It means C is a nothing here or irrational number here. And look here the B option. B option is under root 225 means there is a square of 15. A square of 15. It means here not a irrational number. Reminder here A. A is here right option. The right answer is A. Irrational number here under root 23. Under root 23 is the right answer. A option is correct this question here. Next here, the product of rational and irrational number is. You know that the question is clear here. The product of the rational and irrational number is. That's important question here. An answer away and integer. B aways a rational number. C away on irrational number. D sometime rational and sometime irrational. The options are clear cut here. Test your knowledge. First of all, I give you few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer and note your notebook the right option and again check you. The question is understand the product of a rational and irrational number is away on integer, away as rational number, away on irrational number, and these sometime rational and sometime irrational. That's important. You know that is A is away is a integer. That is wrong here. That is wrong. This is not a option. And aways or rational number, nothing. Because production of rational and irrational number is not a is rational number. The C aways on irrational number. That's the right answer. That is right. And this is important here. Aways on irrational number is correct answer for this question. The product of rational and irrational number is away on irrational number. That's important here. And let's see next question. You know that next question, that's important. A question here, a rational number between under root 2 and under root 3. That's important. That's important. The A option 1.9, B is under root 3 upon 2, C is 1.5, D is 1.8. You know that this question is clear here. The under root 2 is value is here 1.42, 1.41, okay, and under root 3 is value here 1.732. That's important here. That's important because that's important. You should be minus each other and that's come here. That's important. I give you few seconds for you. First of all, check your knowledge. First important, and after I give a answer for you. Rational number between under root 2 and under root 3. Under root 2 and under root 3. That's important. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question here. You know that the question is here very clear. This under 2 and under root 3 between rational number. The rational number is coming here. That's important. The rational number is a 1.5. 1.5 is correct here. It means to option C. 1.5 is correct here. 1.5 is correct. Let's see next question here. Next question arrive here, that's important. And question here, can we write a 0 is the form of P upon Q? That's a clear question. The important for the exam view here. Can we write 0 is the form of Q upon P? That's important. The option here, A is, B is no, C is a cannot be explained, D is a none of the above. That's an important question, but give you few seconds for you test your first of all your knowledge. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer for this question. Question understand? Can we write a 0 is the form of P upon Q? That's important. There is a yes, nothing. A is here nothing, but A is a yes. That's right. A is correct answer. Yes. That's it as. Yes, can be right. 0 is a form of P upon Q. That's important. It means the option is A is correct. Yes. Option A is correct. Yes. I can be written to 0 is the form of P and Q. That's important. And let's see next question here. The next question arrive here. That's important. And question here. The three rational number between 3 and 4 are. The three rational number between 3 and 4 are. That's important here. You know that is a textbook questions here, but you calculate of notebook this answer. That's important because no technology for us. I calculate for this. Okay, you choose a option on this option. The option A 5 upon 2, 6 upon 2, 7 upon 2, and B is a 13 upon 4, 14 upon 4, and 15 upon 4. And 5 is a 12 upon 7, 30 upon 7, and 40 upon 7. Choose option, that's a great, but I understand you. The three rational number between 3 and 4. You know the 3 and 4. First of all here, let's see is 1 upon 2 here. 2 means is a 2 is a multiply, this is a 6 and the 8. 6 and 8 is a 1 is a rational number here. But otherwise is multiply by 4 both side upper and lower side. There is a 4, 12 and 16. 12 and 16, that's right. 12 and 16, and that is right. Means B option is correct here. B option is correct. Clear understanding you? Let's see you 4 means 3 upon 1 into 4 into 4. 12 upon 4 and 4 upon 1 into 4 into 4 means 12 and 16. But his here denominator is equal to the 4 and 4, and nominator is here different. 12 16. 12 16 means is here 13, 14, 15. As a 3 rational number is coming here. It means B option is correct here. The B option is correct. That's important for the mostly exam view here. Next question arrive here. That's important. And question here, in between any two numbers there are. That's a clear question for the exam view here. In between any two number there are only one rational number, B many rational number, C infinity rational number, and D no rational number. You know there's a question clear here, but first of all test your IQ level. I give a few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer of this question here. You know that question is clear. In between any two numbers there are only one rational number, B many rational number, C infinity rational numbers, and D no rational number. You know that the option is clear here, and answer is also clear. The answer is here infinite rational number. Infinite there is a rational number means C. C is correct. Only one rational number is not applicable. B is a many rational number is not applicable, and D is a non-rational number is not applicable. But answer is a C here. infinity rational number. That's important here. C option is correct here. Let's see next question. The next question arrive here. That's important. And question here. Every rational number is. That's important for the all exam view. You know that all competitive exam also the question is clear. Every rational number is A whole number, B natural number, C integer number, D real number. That's important question here, but first of all you check your knowledge and note your option for your notebook. I give a few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer of this question here. The question is clear. Every rational number is. Every rational number is real number. Every rational number is real number. It means the whole number is rejected, natural number is rejected, integer is also rejected here. The option is correct D. Every rational number is a real number. That's important here. And let's see next question. The question on the screen, that's important. And question here, under root 9 is a dash number. The question is clear here. Under 9 is a dash number. The option A, rational number, B, rational number, C, neither rational or nor irrational. And D is none of the above. That's an important question for the exam view here. You take a few seconds for choose of your answer and write your notebook. First of all, I give you a few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer to this question. The question is clear here. Under root is a dash number. Under root is a dash number. You thought a neither rational nor irrational number? That is a wrong answer. This also is a many students is a select irrational number, but B is a irrational number is a totally wrong. It means you select a A. That's important because under root 9 is a rational number. Under root 9 is a rational number. That's clear. The under root 9 is a rational number. That's important. And let's see next question here. The next question arrive on the screen. That's important here. Question is which of the following is an irrational number? Which of the following is an irrational number? That's important question for the exam view here. Question is clear here. Which of the following is an irrational number? A, under root 16. B, under root 12 upon 3. C, under root 12. D, 100. You know that that's the most important question. I give you a few seconds but calculate this question on your notebook. That's important. Okay? You understand? You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer to this question. Which of the following is a irrational number? You know that irrational number. It's called irrational number here. First of all, check a option. Under root 16 mean there is the power of 4. It means it's a rational number. It means it is a rational number because is under root is here. 16 is under root is equal to 4. Equal to only 4 here. The 4 is the correct answer. B is here 12 upon under root 3. 12 upon under 3 means 3 is the cutting here of 12 is a 4. Coming to 4. 4 means under root 4. 4 is a power 2. Means is equal to 2 answer. It means it is a irrational number. Nothing here. It's a rational number. And 100 you know that 100 is a power 10. Means under root is the end here. Is coming to the 10. It means to D is a rational number. The remainder is C option. The C option is here 2 into 2 into 3. It means to the under 2 is here appears. It means 2 is here 2 under root 3. 2 under root 3. That is irrational number here. You know that is a C is correct answer for this question. That's important for the exam view. Let's see next question here. The next question arrive here, that's important. And question here, 3 under root 6 plus 4 under root 6 is equal to. That's important. That's important here. 3 under 6 plus 4 under root 6 is equal to. The option here is a 6 under root 6 and 7. B is a 7 under root 6. C is a 4 under root 12. D is a 7 under root 12. That's important. But first of all, you check your knowledge. I give you few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer of this question here. The question is clear here. 3 under 6 plus 4 under root 7 is equal to. That's a clear answer. 3, 4 is equal to 7. Means 7 under root 6. It means here the option here's answer is B. That's clear. 3 plus 4, 7. Under root is the same here. It means to under root 6 and under root 6 not a plus here. Only is a 3 and 4 plus here. It means to 4 plus 3 is a 7 under root 6. Because under root 6 and under root 6 is common here. Under root 6 and under root 6 is common. But 3, 4 is different. It means 4 and 3 plus. Its option is here B is correct. 7 under root 6. That's important. And let's see next question here. The next question on your screen, that's important question here. Under root 6 into under 27 is equal to. You know that is the question is clear here. First of all is take a pair. It means it is a multiplication here. Means under root 6 is a pair is a 3 into 2. You know that 3 into 2. And 27 is 3 into 3 into 3. It means there is a pair of 2, 3. 3 is pair here. It means that's important. But first of all, check your knowledge. I give a few seconds for you. You know that? You check your knowledge. I understand. Under root 6 here, 2 into under root 3. 2 under root 2 and 3. Okay? And 27 here, 3 into 3 into 3. It's all under root. It means the pairs here of here 3 and 3. It means 4, 3. 4, 3 means 2 is under root is here and 3 into 3 is 9. Okay, 3 into 3 is 9. A reminder under root here 2. It means to the option A is correct. The 9 under root 2. 9 under root 2 is correct answer this question here. That's important and the knowledge is great here. Next question. From the choose give a below mark of the co-prime number. That's a clear question. Okay. From the choose give a below mark of co-prime number. Option 2 and 3. B is 2 and 4. C 2 and 6. And D 2 and 110. That's important here. But first of all, choose your answer for you. I give few seconds for not your notebook option. That's right. Okay. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question here. You know that the question is clear here. From the choose or give below, mark the co-prime number. You see that D is 2 and 110 divided by the 2 and 2, though both here. And C also is divided by the 2 and 2. And B is divided by 2 and 2. It means to the D, C, B is rejected here. It is not a co-prime number. But A, 2 and 3 is not divided by both as 2 here. It means is a co-prime number. The concern is clear. Answer is clear also. The option A is correct here. 2 and 3 is a below mark of the co-prime number. Let's see next question here. Next question that's important. The question is clear here. Under 12 into under 15 is equal to. That's easy question. You know that's easy. Option A 5 under 6, B is a 6 under root 5, and C is a 10 under root 5, D is an under 25. First of all, check your knowledge and you must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer of this question here. You know that under 12 into under 15. There is a here, factorize here. 12 factorize here. 3 into 2 into 2, okay? And 15 is a 3 into 5. It means there is a 2 and 3 is a pair here. It means 6 is here. And under is under root 5. It means option is correct here. Correct here. B. The B is correct answer. Because 6 is here and under root 5 is here. It means to the B option is correct here. That is easy. You take a mostly is a factorize here. Factorize method. 12 factorize here. 2, 2, 3. And 15 is a 3 and 5. It means 2 pairs and 3 pairs here. But 5 is nothing is pair. Okay. The option B is correct here. Let's see next question here. The next question arrive here, that's important. And question here, if the decimal representation of the number is a non-terminating and non-repeating, then the number is. If the decimal representation of the number is non-terminating, non-repeating, then the number is. Question is clear, understand? The A is a natural number, B is a rational number, C is a whole number, D on irrational number. That's important option. But first of all, you check your knowledge. I give you few seconds for you. You must have a thought, your answer, and not your notebook also. The question understand? The question, if the decimal represent of the number is a non-terminate and non-repeating, then the number is. You know that A natural number you select, that is in a wrong answer. But you select a B or rational number, and also you select a whole number. You are totally wrong. That's not a whole number. The option is here D on irrational number. On irrational number is correct answer here. And let's see next question here. Next question is the most important arrive here. The question here, the square root of which a number is rational. The square root of which number is rational. That's important here. The option A is 7, B is 1.96, and C is 0.04, and D here 13. That's important. And first of all, check your knowledge. I give you few seconds for choose of this answer here. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question. The square root of which is the number is rational. 7 is nothing here. 7. That is the wrong answer. B 1.96. 1.96. That is a square number root. It means it's a rational number. B is correct here. And C 0.04. That is a 2 the square here. It means this is the right answer. Oh no. That's a 2 answer is the right here. B and C right answer. But question is clear. The square root of which is the number is rational. That's important. It means B and C is correct. That's important. You know that this situation is most important here. Because is a 2 option is correct here. The option B and C is correct. This question, that's important. This topic was till this. We will be do their next topic in the next part. If you like it, then please like, share, subscribe, and share the video as much as possible. Do not think, subscribe and save in your mobile.